1960 Buick Electra spent 35 years in the garage and still looks fantastic. After spending so long in the garage, this four-door hardtop Buick Electra from 1960 is about to change owner at last. The vehicle is located in Hermitage, Pennsylvania, and sold on eBay. The $8,500 price seemed a bit too much for me at first, but see it by yourself. The seller does not give us enough information about the car, but the photo shows the factory tires, which can at least confirm the low declared mileage. Although it is not clear what kind of tire is in the trunk and why it was necessary to store all this stuff. Apparently, no one planned to park the car for such a long time. This is the trunk, where two tires fit freely and the wheel disc is on the side. As soon as this pressure water worked here, and the clean body immediately began to shine in the sun. The size is impressive. The length is a little less than 6 meters, the width is slightly more than 2 meters, the height is 1.5 meters, and the car weighs full 2 tons, serious monster. In this shot, notice the hardtop roofline with an unusual swirling rear window. There are local spots from rust on a pair of fenders, but in general, judging by the presented photos, the car is absolutely in original, complete and decent condition. In this excerpt from 1960 Buick full-line brochure, you can see the differences between the four-door models available. I think the streamlined rear window makes the car look bigger and more lengthened. Also, the wheelbase is the same for both models. Pay attention to the upholstery. The material is called cordavine, which is the vinyl on the seats along with the fabric. It took me almost half an hour of internet searching to find out the cordavine was just a name that Buick gave for the vinyl upholstery. You might laugh, but I even found posts from Buick historians asking the same question, but getting no answer. So now you know. Under the hood there is a 7.5-liter 445 Wildcat 8-cylinder engine with a single 4-barrel carburetor. But unfortunately there is no information if it is working properly. On the odometer only 41,000 miles, which is about 60,000 kilometers. I had a couple of cars that received such mileage after only 1 year after they left the dealer shop. The advertisement does not contain a huge amount of important information, so I had to collect bit by bit from the VIN number. It is 100% certain that the vehicle was assembled in 1960 in Flint, Michigan, and that it was one of the 95,030 vehicles. Further research tells us that this one of just 14,488 hardtop four-door sedans, so of course you will not meet so often of them on the road. The car has yet to be seriously worked on, since the seller managed to fix only the brakes, replace the radiator and the battery.